We had the privilege of delivering the giveaway car to Stephen Gullius, the winner of our LTD. Let's go check out his reaction. So before we took him the car, we give it a quick detail. We drove it all the way down from near Melbourne Airport down to Berwick. So the car's ready to drop off to Stephen. We're going to go now to Berwick, which is about an hour and 12-minute drive away from us. We've just given the car a quick wash. Let's go see what his reaction is. We had a beautiful cruise down there, through CityLink, through the Burnley Tunnel. Here are some clips that we got on the way. So we're one street away now from Stephen's house. Let's just have a look quickly at what this car looks like before we deliver it to him. So we drove the car about an hour and 15 minutes away. Loved it. Oh, we're literally just around the corner. 1 minute, let's go. Something's beeping at me, but I don't know what it is. Seatbelt not on? He's literally just up in this court here. I don't know if he's gonna be at the front of his house. I don't know if he's gonna be waiting at the front or not. Should we give him a rev? We're here, mate. Let's just park it at the front. He's a little bit further up. He's just here. All right, car's here. Let's go knock. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, he's got his FG there waiting. Dum, dum, dum. Hey! Stephen, how are you?
Good.
Good to meet you. George?
Yeah, go George.
How are you? This is my son Thomas.
Thomas, how are you?
We've got the car parked up at the front, so let's go for a walk. How's your day going? A million cameras in your face.
That's right.
Congratulations again.
I'm a bit excited, yeah.
Yeah, she loved the drive down here for nearly an hour and 15 minutes. Here it is, mate.
Awesome. Look at it. Wow. It's spot on, isn't it? It's awesome.
She's not bad for an old girl.
Oh, mate, they're 30 years old now. You know, like they're a long time. So I'm going to further it. So I'm going to, I'm going to finish the painting.
Yep.
Roof painted. All the front's going to be repainted.
Yep.
I'm going to get it Mickey Mouse.
But we've got the base coat for you there. The same.
Yeah,
it's like
right.
half a litre of it.
Yeah, cool.
There you go, mate. Congratulations.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you for supporting the channel. So
No, that's right. Stephen
here bought 4 months of membership access to our online community, which granted him, I think it was roughly 40 entries to our giveaway.
Like that, yeah.
Should we go for a spin?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go for a spin. I've never done this before, so bro, this passenger seat feels totally different. Still got the stock exhaust on it, but it's got.
I've already clued up my mechanic. I'm going to get it onto Club Rego and
Yep.
Start the process on that. So you want to
just go for a little cruise around the block. These guys will follow. Here we go, guys. Stephen's going to rip a massive burnout for us. No, I'm joking.
It sounds all right.
It's not too bad.
Like a video.
Yeah, don't be shy, Stephen.
It's nice. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's top of the line.
It's something for me to play with, and that's what I wanted. I started looking around on Marketplace for something like this. So I'm stoked that I won one. So it'll be easier for me.
Yeah, it's all...
No, I want it.
I love this colour, it just pops in the sun.
Keep me busy for a long time.
Yeah. So stay tuned for further updates on this car if you love it, because Stephen's got some big plans. He was even teasing us with possibly even doing a stroker engine in this thing with a lumpy cam. It'll sound amazing.